Hi, I'm Rebecca with Booming in LA, and today I am in WEHO, which is West Hollywood. I'm right in front of the Troubadour, which is kind of on the edge of West Hollywood and Beverly Hills, and it's the famous Doug Weston's Troubadour, which was really popular during the 60s and 70s for all sorts of rock bands and fun stuff happening during my time. So I'm going to be walking down what's called the Rainbow District, or Boys Town. It's the LGBTQ area, and it's very colorful and fun. So let's go. Some of the bands that played at the Troubadour at the start of their careers included the Eagles, Carole King, James Taylor, Linda Ronstadt, Joni Mitchell, Neil Young, and Tom Waits. Dan Tana's is another iconic location in West Hollywood. It's been here since 1964. It's always been a celebrity hangout, and it has amazing Italian food. So the Rainbow District basically runs between Doheny and La Cienega on Santa Monica Boulevard, and it's just a lot of fun to walk down. I'll show you some of the famous locations around here. This is the corner of Robertson and Santa Monica, and we've got some special little places to visit here. This is a famous club restaurant called the Abbey, and it's a really fun place to go to for Sunday brunch. I'm here on a Sunday, but it's a little bit before brunch starts because I wanted to beat the traffic. When brunch starts, it gets super busy. And right behind the Abbey is a really nice little park. Some green area so people can hang out and have a good time and do some picnicking and all that good stuff. We've got some cool looking gargoyles here too. The Abbey started off as a coffee house, but now the faithful come to party here in droves. The Mother Lode is a famous gay bar, and it's been here for quite a long time. And there's a lot of action at night here. Not right now. This is Bodega Louie. I actually had brunch here last weekend for my daughter's baby shower. And it's a really cool place. If you go inside, it's kind of like a free-for-all bar of just all kinds of food. This street used to be part of Route 66, and you can see it's all decorated in rainbow colors. And then this is the pump. And the Tom Tom. Lance Bass from the band In Sync is one of the co-owners of Rocco's Restaurant. We've got this colorful rainbow crosswalk, and this is an area where they have the WEHO Pride Parade also. It gets pretty wild and fun. Here's some fun street art. This is called Rockin' Angel, and then down below it is Murano. Here's some more street art. This is really beautiful and colorful. And this is almost right at the corner of Santa Monica and La Cienega. Of course, we've got the iconic Tail of the Pup right here. It's not open right now, but this is what it looks like when it's closed. And it's got some outdoor dining in here. This has been here forever. This Alta Cienega Hotel is a place that Jim Morrison used to hang out in room 32. So we've got some interesting cake designs here. Okay. This is a gay-owned video bar called Revolver, and I just think the building is very cool. Mickey's Bar is getting into the Halloween spirit here. Got some werewolf action. This is Circus Books, and it's been here since 1960. You would think it has books in it, but it has anything but books. It's got all kinds of stuff, like it looks like lube and poppers and that sort of stuff. Erotic. Got another rainbow sidewalk here on the corner of San Vicente and Santa Monica. As you can see, there are plenty of places to enjoy happy hour here. So I went a little east of La Cienega because I wanted to show you Hamburger Mary's. It's pretty cool. It's been here a long time. It's kind of like a drag hamburger place. So I was only able to show you a small part of West Hollywood in the Rainbow District. There's also the Melrose Triangle and of course the Sunset Strip, which I did do a video about. You can watch. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I kind of wish I could have got more of the crowd, but I came pretty early so I could get some free parking.